Hey, have you ever wondered where does the water go after it leaves the toilet? Well, cities and towns and even your own home have sewage systems in place to carry wastewater from our homes, restaurants, office buildings, factories, and other establishments to sewage treatment plants where the wastewater is treated. This is then deemed safe to release into other water sources. The treatment of wastewater goes through different stages. Wastewater is treated to remove physical, chemical, and biological contaminants present in it through various processes. The pre-treatment process involves the sewage being sent through a grit or grits or vertical bars that remove large solid substances like cans, paper, and plastic materials. In primary treatment processes, the sewage flows from the grit chamber very slowly so that the sand, pebbles, and soil settles down at the bottom. The sewage flows into the settling tank or the sedimentation tank where the solid waste like our feces are allowed to settle down. Waste such as oils, greases, and soaps rise to the top of the wastewater. The wastewater material that settles down at the bottom is called sludge, and the floatable material is called scum. Scum is removed using a skimmer, and sludge is removed using a scraper every few days. The water that is left after is called the clarified water. In the secondary treatment process, biological or organic wastes are removed. It is a biological process. This is done by transferring the clarified water into an aeration tank where air blowers bubble air, which helps the aerobic bacteria to grow and feed on the organic contaminants such as food waste, feces, and other organisms. The mixture then flows to the aeration tank into the clarifier where activated sludge settles out by gravity. The activated sludge produced along with the sludge produced in the primary process is transferred to the digester where it is then decomposed by anaerobic bacteria. Biogas is produced in this process, which can be used as fuel or it can be used to produce electricity. The activated sludge is then left in drying sand beds. Some quantity of water in the activated sludge evaporated and the remaining quantity drains through the sand beds. This leaves behind the remaining dry sludge, which can be used for fertilizer or compost. In the tertiary treatment process, the leftover wastewater is treated with chlorine to remove the phosphorus compounds, nitrogen compounds, and bacteria. It is a chemical process. Chlorine tablets are added to kill the germs. This process is called chlorination. Then this water is left off into water bodies. UV light can also be used in this process to kill germs as well. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our monthly newsletter where you can get up-to-date information on permits and compliance.